In this video, I will show you how to get notifications when somebody is detected by your Reolink security camera. Open Reolink app, tap on the gear icon. This takes you to the settings. Scroll down until you get to the push notifications. Tap on it. By default, it is off. Tap on it to turn it on. And then here it will give you a few other settings that you can change to customize your notifications. One very important option is schedule. Tap on it. And here you could select detection type. So if you don't want to get notifications whenever your sensor detects something moving, then you could uncheck the other options and just leave person checked and then tap on save. In this way, you will get notifications only when a person is detected. Here you could also adjust the time of the day of different days of the week to get notifications. Tap on save to save your changes. Tap on test to see if your notification works. Sometime later, I got this notification from Reolink saying person detected by front door, and then you can tap on the notification to open it. And if you just want to view the clips where there are people, then you can just select person in the filter. And as you can see, 1 hour ago, there was a person accessing the property.